Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you a super useful workaround for something that's puzzled a lot of Notion users. How to rotate an image before uploading it into Notion. If you've ever tried rotating a picture inside Notion, you probably noticed that, well, there isn't a rotate image feature. But don't worry, by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to rotate your photos perfectly, so everything looks just the way you want in your Notion workspace. All right, let's dive right in. First up, and this is important to know, Notion doesn't currently let you rotate images once they're inside the app. I know, that seems surprising given how flexible Notion usually is. So instead, what we'll do is rotate our image before we upload it, using a simple tool that's already built into Windows. Let's get started. Head over to where your image is saved on your computer. This could be in your Pictures folder, on your desktop, or anywhere you keep your photos. Find the image you want to use in Notion. Next, double-click to open your image. By default, it should open in Windows' own photo viewer, sometimes called Photos or Windows Media. If for some reason it opens in another program, you can always right-click the image, hover over Open With, and select Photos from the list. This is just to make sure we're all using the same interface. Once your photo is up on the screen, look for the Edit icon. It's usually represented by a little pencil or the word Edit. Give that a click. This takes you straight into the editing mode, where you'll see a few basic options. Perfect for what we need today. Now, here comes the main event, rotating your image. Somewhere in the editing section there should be a rotate button, often a little arrow curling around. When you click it, watch your image turn 90 degrees. If you need it rotated further, just click again until your photo is exactly how you want it. For example, if you took a vertical picture but it's showing up sideways, a couple of clicks should set it straight. When you're happy with the new orientation, be sure to save your changes. You'll usually see a Save or Save As option nearby. You can overwrite the old file, or if you want to keep both versions, choose Save As and give your rotated image a new name. I sometimes add Rotated at the end, just so I can spot it easily later. Now, your image is ready for Notion. Open up your Notion workspace and decide where you want to insert your picture. If you're starting fresh, you can simply type Image on a new line. This brings up Notion's Image Upload menu. Click Upload, then navigate to the rotated photo you just saved. Select it, and Notion will add your perfectly oriented image right where you want it. And that's really all there is to it. Even though Notion doesn't support image rotation natively, this quick detour through Windows' built-in photo tools makes sure your workspace looks professional and polished. If you ever update your image outside Notion, just repeat these steps. It only takes a minute once you get the hang of it. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to cover more Notion tips. And of course, remember to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. See you next time.